Yo, what's up yo? My name is PJ. I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, Cubay, and welcome to my YouTube channel, PJ Ong. Yan. So for today guys, we will have an episode of Lazada unboxing. Yan, diba? So, na-receive ko to kahapon and I'm very excited na gamitin to, especially ngayon na nasa bahay pa din, di ba? ECQ pa din dito sa Cebu. Cebu. And yon, kaya this is something very useful na pwede natin gamitin everyday. Yan, di ba? So, buksan na natin. So, yung nakaganda guys is etong binili ko sa Lazada is naka-sale. So, from 699, 388 na lang. So, yun, around 40% yung na-save natin. And yung good news pa doon guys, ngayong July 15, may biggest bounce back sale, mid-year sale yung Lazada. So, itong from 388, 375 na lang ngayong July 15. So, yun. So, you can check my description guys, yung link sa product na ito na i-unbox natin. Yun, di ba? So, ano kaya to guys? Ano kaya tong pwede nating magamit, especially ngayon na pandemic? Yun, na stay at home lang tayo. So, eto na guys, kukunin na natin. So, ito yung laman. Ano kaya to? It's a coffee grinder. It's a manual coffee grinder, guys. And as you can see, di ba? It's very portable, di ba? Maliit lang siya, di ba? Very cute. And very light, kumbaga, di ba? Yun. So, kudos sa seller. As you can see, maganda yung pagka-wrap niya, guys. So, basically, ito lang yung laman niya, actually. As you can see, wala nang laman. So, yun, naka-bubble wrap. So, yun, basically, bubuksan pa natin tong coffee grinder. So ito guys, especially sa mga mahilig sa coffee, di ba? Ngayon na yung ibang favorite na coffee shop na gusto nating puntahan is closed or it's either for pick up lang or yun nga, ipa-deliver, but yung delivery lang guys is sometimes matagal, di ba? Sometimes matagal and sometimes may bayad, actually may bayad yung delivery fee. So it's an additional gastos for us, especially sa ating nagtitipid, di ba? So magkano yung delivery fee? Around mga 45, di ba? Ganon. So, yung naisipan ko, why not buy na lang a coffee grinder, di ba? So, all we need to have is a coffee grinder and of course, yung coffee bean. So, nakapagbili kasi din ako ng coffee bean. Saan ba yan? Ito yung coffee bean na nabili ko, guys. Actually, it's from, guys, Batangas na coffee, di ba? We all know naman na pag Batangas, yun, matapang yung kape, di ba? So hopefully I can try this Batangas na beans, di ba? And of course, beans kasi ito guys, hindi pa siya yung powder, yung fine powder. So kailangan pa natin siyang i-grind using this coffee grinder. Yun, di ba? So yun, bubuksan na natin guys. Basically, it's a ceramics coffee bean grinder with canister set. So yun. So yun, kailangan natin i-open for a finer. So, pwede natin i-adjust guys kung gusto natin na mas fine yung coffee bean natin or gusto natin yung coarse or yung medium, di ba? Especially ngayon guys, na recently ko lang nalaman actually na pwede pala tayong gumawa ng ating homemade na yung coffee na, anong tawag doon, yung cold brew, di ba? So, cold brew coffee, pwede palang gawin yun sa bahay, guys. So, we need to have yung, yung French press. Yun, may French press din ako dito. So, yun, sa mga coffee lover, this is a very good product. Kumbaga, sa mga coffee lover dyan, di ba? So, mahilig sa, yun, nakaka-relax kasi yung coffee, especially ngayon na medyo yung mood ng mga tao is yung dahil sa pandemic nga, 'di ba? Yung may uncertainty, 'di ba? So it was being suggested that dapat once in a while mag-relax tayo. And one way of relaxing actually is for me is drinking a good cup of coffee, 'di ba? And nabasa ko na pag coffee bean kasi yung gamit natin, mas tasty daw yung coffee, guys. Mas mafe-feel niyo yung aroma, ganun, yung taste niya, yung taste, yung caffeine, di ba, ng coffee na dadaloy sa ating dugo. Yun, may ganun-ganun pa guys, no? Anyway, so ito yung laman niya guys. Actually, ito yung main niya. Ito yung the grinder itself, as you can see, di ba? So, first grinder ko to. So, actually, hindi pa ako nakapag-try before using this. Yung binibili lang kasi namin dati is yung fine powder na kumbaga i-add yun lang sa coffee maker yon, di ba? But this one, I would like to try yung coffee bean kasi nga yun nga mas tasty daw siya, guys, and yun mas tipid because mas madaming coffee yung nagagawa ng coffee beans, di ba? So ito, guys, basically ito yung laman niya, di ba? Ito na yung grinder niya itself, and yun, if you can hear it, di ba? So basically, I think, paano ba gamitin to? You just have to pour yung coffee beans, and yun, i-grind niya using this one. Yung sa baba. Ceramic daw kasi yan, guys. Yan yung gamit niya, ceramic. And if ceramic daw kasi, guys, wala siyang heat na pinoproduce, so mas na-retain daw yung quality ng coffee beans. Kumbaga, pag naging coffee powder na siya, gano'n. So, yun yung nakaganda dito. And yun, ito yung tinatawag niya na lid cover, di ba? Lid cover. And of course, it comes with stainless, guys, stainless daw to, handle, kumbaga. Ito yung handle. Ayan. So, ito yung laman. Handle. And I think, paano ba gamitin to? So basically, ikakabit to siya dito, and we can adjust kung paano ba to gamitin. So basically, ito yung free na canister niya. May kasama siyang canister. It's a glass canister. So, yan. Cut na natin. So, may instruction naman siguro, guys, kung paano siya gamitin. So, we'll read that, of course, diba? So, ito yung free niya na glass canister, guys. Pwede nyo dito ilagay yung ginawa nyo na powder, kumbaga, from the beans. Yan. So, basically, ito lang yung laman niya, guys. The grinder, then yung lid cover niya, dito, i-cover nyo. And yung handle, so I assume na dito to siya, somewhere. Ikakabit. And then, yung free na glass canister. And of course, yung box niya, ito yung box, I think may instruction naman dito. Ceramics coffee bean grinder with canister set. So, ito yung canister set niya. Then the coffee bean grinder. So, as you can see, di ba? Cute lang, guys. Napakaliit. But, I think madami ng coffee na magagawa dito. So, yun. May instruction naman dito, guys. To adjust grinding fineness. Remove nut, handle, and locking ring. Hold the central shaft and turn. Adjust ring clockwise as finer grind. And counterclockwise as a coarser grinder. So, ito yung nut. So, may instruction naman siya, guys. Check natin kung may nakalimutan tayo. I think wala na. I think that's it. Ito na yung laman niya. Check natin yung box. Baka may free pang naiwan. So, wala na. So, ito. So, basically, ganun lang, guys. So, I'll try to set up, di ba? Try natin kung kaya natin i-figure out, di ba? By just paano ba to? Ayun. So, yun, guys. Natanggal lang yung nut niya. Ito. Diba? And I believe ito. So, naka-preset niya. Ito daw yung adjuster daw to, guys. Ito yung nut adjuster. So, clockwise daw, guys. So, if we want a finer, ayun. So, hindi pa natin alam kung finer yung pino, mas pino. As you can see, nag-move talaga siya, guys. So, clockwise, i-check natin ulit. So, clockwise, if finer yung gusto natin. So, mas pino, guys, i-clockwise natin ikot, ganon. Then, if coarser, yun, mas dun sa taas, di ba? So, ano ba yung gamit nun, guys? Usually, if coarse yung pipiliin natin, guys, mas maganda yon if gusto natin yung cold brew. If cold brew yung gagawin natin, yung coarse na coffee bean yung kailangan natin, di ba? And if yung medium, di ba? Medium, pwede dun sa coffee maker. And if fine, di ba? If super pino na talaga, guys, is pwede dun yung sa mga espresso, di ba? So, yun. So, basically, ganun lang, guys. In-adjust natin. So, ibabalik natin. So, yun. Basically, madali lang siya i-adjust. And ito ay kakabit natin. Kabit natin yung handle niya. And then, yun, it's like, ano lang, screw. Ganon. So, yun. So, basically, nakabit na yung handle niya, guys. So, ikot-ikot lang to, di ba? So, mag-a-add lang tayo ng coffee bean. Yun. Coffee bean. And, ikot-ikot natin. So, dito na yung ano. So, try natin, guys. Try tayo mag-add ng coffee bean, di ba? So that we can know. We can know if functioning ba siya. So, itong coffee bean ko, guys, is nabili ko to sa, yun na, sa Hypermart lang. So, it's around 300 pesos. And, yun, kasi nakasulat dito is from Batangas, yung original daw to, di ba? And yung, ito, Barako siya, di ba? So, yun yung famous na coffee sa Batangas. So, we will try. We'll open this. So, yun. So, ito yung coffee bean niya, guys, as you can see. Di ba? And it smells good, ha? Mabango siya, guys. Mabango. Para, it's like nasa coffee shop tayo, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun. So, we'll just, all you need to do is drop some yung coffee beans na gusto nyo i-grind. And then, yun, example, guys. Konti lang ilalagay natin because we will have to clean it first, di ba? So, yun. Lagay yung coffee bean, then ikot-ikot lang to natin. Yun. Ilagay natin dito. Be sure na steady yung base niya so that hindi siya masyadong gagalaw, di ba? Then, yun, ikot-ikot. Yun. Ganon. So, yun guys, di ba? Napakadali lang gamitin tong manual na coffee grinder na nabili ko sa Lazada and it's just for 388 pesos. And ngayong sale, July 15, 375 na lang. So, yun. So, as you can see guys, hindi masyado makita but naging powder na siya yung coffee ko. As you can see, dito nahulog. And then, pwede natin, after this, after grinding, we can already transfer it dito sa canister. So, yun. So, basically guys, ito yung nakaganda niya sa kanya, di ba? So, yun, bubuksan natin. And you can see yung coffee. Check natin if visible ba. So, yun, may konting coffee, di ba? Konting coffee yung nagawa natin, as you can see, yun, di ba? So, hindi siya fine, di ba? Medyo coarse siya. Kasi nga, yung pag-adjust natin kanina, hindi natin, yung pinakababa nung nut niya, hindi natin diniin hanggang dun sa pinakababa. So, yun, adjust na natin, guys, according to kung ano yung kailangan natin na texture. Kumbaga, kung anong size ng coffee bean yung kailangan natin. Kung fine ba, medium, kung coarse ba, di ba? So, yun. So, yun lang yung video ko for today, guys. We just unbox and basically, sinet up natin, sandali yung coffee grinder natin. And yun, chinek natin yung contents niya. And nag-sample tayo nung pag-grind ng coffee bean, di ba? So, yun. So, that ends my video for today, guys. So, if gusto nyo magka-coffee grinder na kagaya nito, for only 388 and 375 na yung sale, July 15, you can check my description sa baba ng video ko. And yun, may link doon papunta sa Lazada. So, you can also have your own coffee grinder at home. Yan. So, that ends my video for today, guys. My name is PJ. I'm from Cebu. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe now, guys, because I have a lot of upcoming videos pa, di ba? About mga productivity tips, about mga money making, about movie reviews, food vlogs, di ba? Yung mga earn money online, and a lot more. So, yun, guys. I'll see you again next time, and have a good day. Thank you for watching my video.